we're talking about Selena Gomez, by the way.
Exactly, our girl.
Our girl, Selena Gomez, for those of you who are not familiar yet with her brand, Rare Beauty. Hello, you're watching a close-up on Customization 3 in the FabFitFun Fall Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Tasha. I'm the Director of Brand Marketing at FabFitFun, and today I am joined by April. Thank you for joining.
So excited.
April is our Director of Beauty, and we're gonna be deep diving on all of the products that you can choose from in this customization. If you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show, so without further ado, let's get into it.
Let's do it.
First up, we're really excited about this one. We have the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush in Cheer, Hope, Joy, or Happy.
We are so excited to bring you this brand with multiple products in your fall box. This is truly a beauty team favorite brand. There's nothing from the brand I've tried that I don't love, but specifically, this is one of my favorite products. And so this is a silky weightless blush that basically gives you this like lit from within glow on your cheeks and really effortlessly blends on all skin tones. I'm wearing Hope today.
Stunning.
You can see it, pretty, which is kind of a nude mauve, and it's very, very pigmented. So I would say definitely a little bit goes a long way. And it has luminous pearls that give you like not only just that little flush of color, but a hint of like dimension and radiation on your cheeks. And it's buildable and blendable and never is chalky. And makes you look like you have a little bit of glow all the time.
You cannot go wrong with any of these shades. They are all equally beautiful.
I know,
they all have that pearlescent tone to them. And I know that one of them is Selena's favorite. And
Cheer.
Which one is that?
Cheer is
That's
Selena's favorite. But honestly, they're all so beautiful. And I feel like depending on what your preference is, what your skin tone is, you can kind of just play with whichever one. Incredible brand. I'm so excited for you all to try this.
Truly, cheers to you and your team for getting Rare Beauty.
Shout out to Mary on my team.
Yes.
You're the real MVP.
Amazing job, Mary. We love you. Next, we have another incredible beauty brand. We have Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Brightening Treatment Serum.
If you've been a member this year, we've had a few incredible Glow Recipe products, so we're bringing you another. This is a member favorite brand, and I would just say favorite brand of beauty lovers across the world. So this is a gentle yet powerful serum that's gonna help target your dark spots, even your skin tone, and boost radiance. And all skin types can use this, which is great. It's formulated with vitamin C and guava extract, which we love.
Guava's been trending, Guava Girl Summer, and I think that's carrying into fall.
It is. And we have a few other guava things in the box too, so you'll be able to tie that guava story all together. It is great to use during the day, also at night. If you're gonna use it during the day, just make sure you wear a sunscreen because it is powerful. And it's gonna help with those dark spots that maybe we got over summer just by sitting in the sun a little bit. This is gonna help you correct those.
Yes, perfect time to use this is the transition to fall.
Exactly.
Next, we have the Modern Picnic Lunch Bag.
This is not your standard lunch bag. This is gonna make your lunch look chic as you're carrying it into the office.
Yes.
I personally am trying to bring my lunch as much as possible, and it really elevates the lunch experience. So it has a ton of pockets. So you have a front pocket, snacks
so
galore,
much. I have all the snacks.
and little drink pockets on the side. We can close it at the top and also button it. And for me, what's really important is I like to put things in a container exactly like this.
It fits the bento box.
And it has to sit on the bottom. I don't want to put it on the side so that way my salad dressing is seeping out. I want it to sit, so you can see here it has a nice rectangle base that allows for your food to actually just sit nicely in the bag.
I really see this as a wellness item because it's gonna be encouraging us to pack our lunches, eat healthy. I'm gonna be looking chic.
Exactly.
With my little lunch bag.
And I should mention an important thing. It's also insulated too. So it's gonna help keep everything cool.
Yes.
On your way in and out of the office.
Next, we have the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Corrector SPF 30.
Also bringing you a member favorite brand, a beauty girl favorite brand, Dr. Jart. This is their iconic color corrector that you've probably seen go viral on social many, many times. And so what this does is this is going to help give you a natural, even looking skin tone and really help reduce redness. So I'm a person that has a lot of redness and I have red undertones in my skin as well too. And this helps. I'm not gonna put it on top of the blush, but you'll see here, it comes out in this like a little bit of a green color, which
it starts
looks
out
scary at first.
Starts out giving Grinch a little bit.
Exactly, but I'm like, keep rubbing, and what you'll see is it really helps reduce the redness in your skin. Not only the appearance, but it actually soothes the stressed skin, and what takes it to the next level is you're soothing the redness, you're color correcting, then you're also protecting because it has SPF 30 in it too. This is one of the best sellers that Dr. Jart has. It's one of their iconic products that they're known for. And so how you're gonna use this is you're gonna apply this after your moisturizer. So use it on top of your moisturizer. It's gonna turn from green to beige, and then your redness will be evened out and you'll be ready for the day.
I have to tell you, I am very prone to redness, and I have used this before on it.
It helps so much.
It really, really works. This is one of the only products that I've used with that, you know, those green tones that end up blending in and helping.
And color correcting is very underrated too. If you get the hang of it, like the green for the red, it really helps.
Yes. Next, we have the Electric Pix Camilla necklace in gold or silver.
So this is a sparkling charm necklace that adds just a little bit of glam to your everyday look. And so it comes in a 14 karat gold plated or a silver plated with CZ stones in here. And you'll see it has a 16-inch chain and also a 2-inch extender. So it's a little bit dainty, eye-catching. It's adjustable depending on if you want to wear it on your own or if you want to layer it.
It's so nice that the merch team is really giving those options now, because I know that, you know, we have a lot of silver girlies, we have a lot of gold girlies. Which one are you?
I would say, you know, I'm leaning into both today, but I'm a gold girly.
Yeah, I tend to do both. I tend to mix them. So I think these are.
Ooh, that would even be cute if you like layer them together.
Yeah, I actually love that little pair.
Exactly.
Because it's a subtle enough charm here that you can wear both of them together if you really want.
Very cute, very cute.
Next, we have a bundle. This is the Citrine Cream and Sugar Set and Talking Tables Pumpkin Salt and Pepper Shaker Set.
So this is fun because you're actually getting 4 products in this choice. All of this allows you to have just an elegant tablescape, which I feel like is the theme for a lot of this kind of like hosting story that we're seeing in the fall box. So right here, you can see we have the sugar that actually is ready for our coffee, and then a little cream holder, which is great. So beautiful little set that again, elevates the coffee routine in the morning. And then you're also getting this adorable salt and pepper shakers that are in the shape of a pumpkin. And these are so great for the holidays. You can use them from literally Halloween all the way until Thanksgiving, or longer if you just like pumpkin. And they're just such a cute little accessory to have on the table and fun.
Yes, great for the holidays. I think adding tiny little elements that, like speak to the holiday season, it just makes you feel like the season has arrived.
Absolutely, and they're neutral, so it's not like you're putting like orange pumpkins on your tablescape. They're just a really cute little extra flair.
Yes. Next, we have the Kerasilk Multi-Benefit Hair Oil.
This product is an ultra versatile 100% vegan hair oil that's infused with biometric silk and shea oil to really give you a little bit of shine and really deliver nourishment to your hair. This also provides heat protection up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, so very hot. I hope that your hot tools are not that hot, but if they are, it's gonna protect you, and helps really seal split ends and prevent flyaways too. And it also controls your hair for up to 72 hours. So again, we love multitasking products that are not only helping in the moment, but they're protecting the hair long term. And I'm really picky about hair oils. My hair is very kind of fine and thin. And so I have to find something that doesn't leave my hair like greasy or really heavy. And this is the perfect hair oil for that. I'll show you guys the texture of it. It's really, really nice. So it's an oil, but it's not too heavy.
Right.
You can see here, and start with a little and you can build it up.
I have very
like this too.
I have very fine, thin hair as well. And actually I need the flyaway help today.
You're doing it live.
So what steps should we be using this in our hair routine?
It really depends on your hair. You can use it while your hair is wet as kind of like a treatment, or you can use it dry, literally like I just did, as kind of the final step to really just like make those flyaways tame it a little bit.
Yeah,
make it look a little sleeker.
I always feel like it just finishes my hair off when I kind of run a hair oil through it.
I love it. And not too heavy, but a little goes a long way.
And it smells very good.
does.
Next, we have the Stoney Clover Lane Nylon Coin Purse ID case in Flamingo.
So this is adorable. We are so excited to bring you this brand, Stoney Clover Lane. We've had them in e-com before. Really excited to have an adorable ID case in the box from them. So this is a vibrant, bright pink pouch that keeps all your essentials like ID cards, cash, anything that you need just close to you and organized. It's compact enough that you can just drop it into any bag. It also has really pretty gold hardware as well too. And it's a cute mixed functional accessory. We've talked about this before, but I think just elevating those everyday essentials just makes life feel a little bit more fun.
Absolutely. I like that it's this pink color because I want to be able to easily find it out of my bag.
That's such a good point.
I get anxiety when I'm in, the grocery store line and people are behind me and I'm like trying
Fishing
to
through the
find
bag.
my money. Yeah, or my cards.
Exactly.
To be able
so you
to
can find
it
everything
easily. And Stoney Clover Lane, our members go crazy for.
Yes, obsessed.
All right, that was everything in customization 3. April, what do you think you are picking in this customization?
It's a hard choice, but I think I say that every time. I think I'm going with the Dr. Jart Cicapair because, again, I'm a redness girly and this is gonna solve all my problems.
Yes, I think I am picking, the Rare Beauty, and specifically in Cheer, Selena's favorite color.
Can't go wrong.
I mean, all of them are so beautiful. I kind of want all of them, if I'm being honest.
Additional choice.
I will hold myself back and I will leave some for the rest of you. Thank you guys for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Fall Close-Up. Have fun customizing your box and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.